Hi, I'm Lloyd from Bumstead Bicycles, here to do a review of an Aventon Sinch. This is their newest version. If you watch some of our stuff and enjoy my videos, please hit like and subscribe. It definitely helps for videos. On to this one. So this is Aventon's newest version of the Sinch, which is their folding fat tire bicycle. So folding is done here at the frame. Again, I'm not going to crack it open here for this. Well, let's see what we can do here. So again, very tight, very good quality clamping system, so it doesn't accidentally come undone. Makes for a very stiff, cracks open, folds in half here. Hit it, it's locked. So high quality folding mechanism here. Also then folds at the handlebar. Again, click and folds down. So again, awesome folding features. Wide tire for stability. Tread is set up so it works good on street. Light off-road, not a big knobby tire, but with the width, you can easily go on some dirt roads and things. Lights, can't beat the lights on these things. Again, nice and bright. And you've got headlights, tail lights, also brake lights. And a new feature for these guys, you have turn signals. So all kinds of new features. The original Sinch did not have any lights or turn signals. Another big feature, torque sensor on the cranks. Again, most hub drive motors, this is a new thing. They had what's called a crank sensor, and acceleration was kind of predetermined at the factory. Now with a torque sensor, it measures how hard you're pushing on the pedal and accelerates accordingly. So it makes it nice. You want to start off nice and slow, you pedal lightly, very slow acceleration. You want it to take off, step down hard on the pedals, and it accelerates harder. So much more intuitive. 500 watt motor in the back, so tons of power, especially if you're taking this camping and things, and you know, maybe there's some steep hills. New version also includes a rear rack. Nice, you want to strap some stuff on there, put a basket on here, be able to carry some stuff. You're at the campground, want to go to the camp store or something, pick up a few things. Makes it nice to have that on there. Fenders, so dirt and water don't come up and hit you on the back. Just a good all-around. Disc brakes from Tektro. Can't beat those. Great stopping power. Love Tektro disc brakes. Easy to adjust, easy to get parts. Love them. Bike overall, you know, you're taking it camping, whatever. Part of the thing I like about this too as a folding bike is it rides really nice. Worked on and test ridden a lot of folding bikes. A lot of them very skittish, don't handle very well. They're just made to be small and compact and not, you know, maybe ride the last couple miles here and there. This, you could ride this all day comfortably. So if you're looking for a folding bike, or maybe just a bike that's small, stable, easy to put in the back of the SUV, I'd definitely go in and check out Aventon.